What's up, guys? I'm gonna be filming BTS for this, but I don't know how much there's gonna be. I'm filming this on my own, so that's why, it's pretty much all gonna be tripod shots. This skit is really gonna be like a back to basics type thing. Like, I used to film videos all by myself back in like 2016, so I guess I'm kinda used to it, but I guess cue the behind the scenes. Go. Sometimes that's just what you gotta do. You pretend that you had the hiccups, spit water all over the floor. Son of a... See, the bad thing is about peanut butter is that it gets all watery after a while, and I'm gonna have to stir it. Pro tip, butter knife. Is that a bug? Hopefully that'll look good, cause that hurt. Go. Holy how much water Look at how much water I choked up. Like, oh god. Alright guys, so it might take me like a while to actually burp. So I'm just gonna put in a sound effect like I'm doing for the hiccups. Hopefully it's not too obvious, but it probably will be. I'm gonna chug all this. Probably not gonna be very fast, but oh well. Go. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but I missed. Never mind. Go. It's gonna be one of the main things in the skit, guys. I'm just gonna smack my hand against the table. So I just want to say real quick, I don't know who designs a gallon of milk like this. Like, what? It has like all these weird, like look at it. Like, why is it? It's like the weirdest design of a carton that I've ever seen, but. Whatever. Rocco, I want you in the behind the scenes video. This is Rocco the cat. He's guest starring in this skit. Rocco. Rocco, you got anything to say? Rocco. Okay. See what I do? Go. Got a little grass clipping on there. I don't know where that came from. Alright guys, a little behind the scenes exclusive story. Gotta turn this TV back on. Okay, so pretty much, the video that I'm gonna look up is the Scary Maze game. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, or have seen the Scary Maze game, but I am quite literally, like, I actually have, like, PTSD from that. Like, actually, though, it's like, no, not, because if I look up jump scare, then I'm actually gonna get scared. Because, like, Scary Maze game, it's just like that face from The Exorcist. It's just, it terrifies me to this day. It's terrifying. Like, my god. I've been haunted by that face ever since I was like 4 years old. Like, no joke. It's actually called Scary Maze game. Like, look at that! I don't... Okay, the original video isn't even showing up, but, like, I don't want to play that on my TV. Like, damn. I need to... I'm gonna turn the volume down to, like, 10. Because I'm gonna add the sound effect in later when I'm not, like, scared. Someone here? No, okay, nobody's here. I'm actually getting, like, paranoid. Scary Maze game. There we go. Did they take it off of YouTube? If they took it off of you... Wait, is it not on YouTube anymore? What the hell? How could they take down such... Okay, I typed in gammed. Maybe that's it. If it's not that, then I'm gonna look up the scary car commercial video. Yeah, it's not... What the hell? Alright, well... Scary car commercial it is then. Yeah, Scary Maze car. There it is. There it is. Scary car commercial. The original video is like 10 years old, I think. I don't remember it. Oh wait, no, there it is. What the hell? Does it not? Oh my god. Okay, I need to make... no, I can't mute the TV because the thing... I'm just gonna turn it down to 2. Volume level 2. God, I'm being so paranoid right now. Okay. Oh my god. Holy... We're just gonna skip a couple seconds. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's actually kind of smaller. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna be talking during this because I'm gonna put a sound effect over it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is why I can't do scary things. Rocco, help me. Oh, there it is. I love how the blue dot stays. Like, wow. Okay, whew. Go. Oh my god. Go. Oh my god. Go. Jesus. Sorry, Rocco, if I scared you by doing that. I apologize. I can't do... Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, why am I making this? I'm enjoying the Chex Mix too much, I'm sorry. Rocco, what are you doing? Rocco. What's up, guys? Like my hair? I'm cutting that out behind the scenes. Let's wait to creepy.
Oh my gosh, Nathan, how do you get your hair like that? Guys, come over here, look at his hair. Doesn't it just give you a hard on?
Go. Oh. Wait. They're gone. The hiccups. They're finally gone! Yes! 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 Alright, we're gonna do a take 2 of that because I don't think that was very good. Go. No. Go. Wait. They're finally gone. The hiccups! They're finally gone! Yes! 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 Alright, that one was probably better. Son of a bitch! Alright, I think that was good. This is just gonna be like a test out shot. I don't know how this is actually like gonna look. Son of a bitch! Rocco. Rocco, come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, get up. Get up. Come on. Rocco. 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 Rocco, no, back up. Back up a little bit. Rocco. Rocco, come here. Come here. Stay. Stay, Rocco. Stay. Alright. Okay. Rocco. Rocco. Rocco, look up. Okay.